Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to embed a video on Twitter. So let's get started. Begin by launching your X application. Now select the video that you'd like to embed. Just tap and hold on the video and then select Post Video option. Then enter the text. Once you're done, tap on the Post button at the top right corner of your screen. And this is how you can embed a video on Twitter. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.